On today's menu, we're going to be making bittermelon soup. A couple side notes, this is the mushroom seasoning we use. I'd also recommend using these vermicelli noodles, which are the bean thread type, and they're thinner than the ones we used. These are wood ear mushrooms. They're a type of black fungus. The direct translation from Khmer to English is ears of a mouse. Alright, let's get started. Begin by cutting the bittermelon into 3 sections. For smaller bittermelons, just cut them into 2. And then start scraping out all the seeds.
Got co-op với chai nhỏ like that. Okay, so it's 2 is done. This is a small one. Cut this in half. Okay, ឆ្កឹះហើយចឹងទៅពេលទឹកពុះដាំទឹកពុះពេលទឹកពុះបងវា 4-5 минូតចឹងពួកអីយកជាតិល្វីងចាញ់ហើយចាក់ទឹកនឹងចោល
So we have all 5 bittermelons cut and scraped.
ដាំទឹកឲ្យវាពុះ So I think this is enough for the stuffing.
Looks like it.
Yeah, ប៉ុណ្ណឹងបាន Okay. Take time for until it turns soft and then cut into like less than an inch.
Okay, so we just drained the water from the noodles, and that was about 10 minutes. And they're soft enough to cut, so we're going to cut them into 1-inch strips.
អានេះដូចធំបន្តិចហ្នឹងហ៎
And these are pretty thick noodles. Usually we would use thinner ones.
ចាក់បន្តិចប៉ុណ្នេះបានណា
So we're only going to use a handful because these are thicker than we usually
បាទដាក់សើបបានណាដាក់ឲ្យមាននៅក្នុងហ្នឹង
This is mushroom powder.
This is half tablespoon. But at least 1 tablespoon of mushroom seasoning.
ហ្នឹងមានតិចកដោហាំដាក់តិចតិចតាំងហ៊ុនតិចតិចណានេះឲ្យស្ដាប់
Some salt. Okay.
That was about half a tablespoon
half.
of salt.
And you can add a tiny bit of sugar.
Yeah.
This is sugar?
Might butter now.
Yeah.
I have hello.
អត់មានព្រីងផងដែរទៅណាព្រោះខ្ញុំនៅផ្ទះទូសាហើយផ្ទះទូមានព្រីងទឹកប៉ុណ្ណេះនៅខ្ចី
The water is boiled, so we're going to add these bittermelons in. We're going to boil this for 5 minutes, and then we're going to drain out all the water.
That's it. ឲ្យតែចាក់ទឹកចោល
ខ្លាចភ្លេច
Okay. That's it. Bye. Let this bittermelon cool down. After it cools down, then you can stuff the ground turkey inside here. After you stuff it in, you cook in boiling water.
So you have to reboil the water.
Yeah. So I only put a little bit of water, but I also put chicken broth in there to give it flavor.
We're going to use this whole box of chicken stock, about 1 quart. 7 cups of water, and we're reboiling it.
And pour
Now we're
chicken
going to
stock.
add some chicken stock.
Okay. That's it.
Okay, we'll wait for it to boil.
Stuffing, you want to put some stuffing in here?
Chắc mà o con trai đấy đó. Chúng tôi mau ra tôi mau lên từ này nữa. Thì lên này mà rồi tới máu cho mà này rồi mấy tấm chân là vừa free nè.
She should have put some mouse ear in here. And what is that called in Khmer?
Look at cả đau.
Slug chip gadao. I have no idea what that is, but I'll do some research later.
It is more like it's made from like seaweed. That's what it's called.
The chicken stock is boiling now.
Anh đang ăn ban để giàu chứ.
Thì ăn ai chắc mà mẹ chán chân không ai. Ngồi bán nhâm nụ băng đi phải ập đây lọ.
So we're gonna brown this garlic to make it more chnoi.
Tụi anh bùi phải em xin ăn chi. Cả nấm tinh pi nè mà đai mà nè mà ta giờ này tới. Rồi nhé.
Play đam chân organic tinh thay á. Apple nó rồi lỏ thay.
Play apple lỡ. Cái đôi khi ta hay mà rây. Miền Bắc mà rây là.
Mấy dùng sạch này ha. Ok.
Mùi tâm cả phóng vô việc thèm tật phải độc thứ hơn á. Thì là chặn một việc.
Cái cho nằm để hiếm á. And they often seasoning in here.
I think that was about
about 1.5 tablespoons. Oh, just say 2 tablespoons.
alright, 2 tablespoons.
Okay.
Our garlic is browned. And what are we gonna do with this?
We're gonna put that inside the soup. Like this.
Ai tụi anh vẽ nó mai áo vậy nè.
Not in your thing.
Ai nó còn.
Okay. I need to put some salt.
How much salt is that?
1 tablespoon. Yeah, about 1 tablespoon of salt.
Or add according to taste.
And a little bit of sugar. But like half tablespoon of sugar.
Để xí tần đông băng với ngày thổi đó ao chay lọc thòm mà.
I think that's it, and then we're gonna cook until the turkey, the ground turkey meat is well cooked.
So about 15 minutes on high.
Yeah. Oh, until it's cooked.
And do we have rice being made?
Yeah, you can cook rice. You đặt đâm ba với mồi bạn ấy.
Mù chứ.
Mấy bạn xôi mồi bạn hắn.
Cilantro.
Quên ngao chứ nhâm mà ngao chứ.
Mà năng giống á. Dù ngày á.
Dù bị ập trai chứ nó. Tụi tục ai dù ngay. Hồ con tục bị ngày ập bán.
It's a mixture of
សឡmà rẽ មាន
onions
មាន
and
សាច់នៅក្នុងហ្នឹងកុំទុកយូរពេកញ៉ាំ 2 ថ្ងៃហ្មងហ្នឹងពេលមានសាច់ទុកយូរពេកអត់ល្អធូរ
The soup is typically eaten with a side of rice. I hope you get to make this, and if you did, let me know.